check it out. We got the vessel. See tight. Press the button. Correct. So I'm borrowing it from Tim, the homie. But the only problem I saw, so there's no reverse on it. Right? So there's no reverse. So when you're using it, so let's say you go a little too far back, right? And you hit the wall on something, right? There's no reverse. So you're kind of stuck there. So when you use this, just be careful, guys, that you don't get stuck on between something, because you know when they don't have reverse, it's sketchy, right? So, but other than that, it's badass. Hell yeah. But other than that, I'm gonna order one definitely.